Hello everyone, this is your friend Baani. Today I am going to talk about birds. Birds are one of the vertebrates. They have warm blood. Birds are the only animals with feathers which give them a protective and warm covering and help them fly. In all the feathers, the largest and the strongest feathers are the flight feathers on a bird's wings or tail. The tail is very important for maintaining balance when a bird is flying or walking. Some birds like penguins cannot fly. Birds have sharp claws on their feet for holding on branches of trees. Some birds like ducks have webbed feet which helps them swim. Birds don't have teeth, but they have they have a strong bill for feeding. The bill depends on what the bird eats. Birds have young ones by laying hard-shelled eggs which they sit on to make them warm until they hatch. Did you know the largest and the strongest bird is an ostrich? And the smallest bird is a bee hummingbird. That's it for today, guys. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe.